This is the first lecture in what I call the Excellent Internship course. It is simply a starting point for learning about internships, learning how to search for internships, and how to carry out an internship successfully. Let's first define what an internship is. An internship should involve work experience that supplements classroom study with on-the-job learning. It shouldn't just be any part-time job. It should be one that is connected to some academic piece, what you've learned from reading your textbooks and taking in lectures within your college major. And the primary result of an internship should be a more learned or skilled student, and the priority of the internship should be on learning. Now, that doesn't mean that there isn't work to be done. Certainly, there are tasks, and sometimes very menial tasks, that have to be accomplished by the student in the internship. However, the priority should be on learning. So if you're looking for an internship, try to find one where there is emphasis on learning objectives. An internship can be used for course credit, but it doesn't have to be for course credit. It could simply be for a solid resume item. Most internships last about 10 weeks in the summer, and to maybe 10 weeks to 3 months in the summer, or a duration of 1 semester. At my university, which is the University of Massachusetts Dartmouth, we're on a 14-week fall semester and a 14-week spring semester. So during those regular semesters, so to speak, our internships run about 14 weeks and 135 hours. That's what we require, a minimum of 135 hours, and then about 10 weeks in the summertime. An academic internship is a form of experiential education that integrates knowledge and theory learned in a classroom with practical application and skill development in a professional setting. The work/learning arrangement is usually overseen by a faculty member or a staff member. At my university, in our College of Business, we have a faculty member who actually is the instructor of an internship course, and the students must take that course concurrent with their internship work experience. So that instructor oversees the work that's being done by reading journals and reflective weekly writing pieces that the student does. And in addition, in collaboration, you might say, with the educational institution, the employee has a supervisor at the organization. The experience is distinct from other types of work as it is structured around learning goals and includes reflection upon the achievement of the learning goals. So we believe at my school that first you set learning objectives, 5 or 6 learning objectives, things that you believe you're going to accomplish through learning on the job during the next 14 weeks, let's say. And we have writing assignments that force the student to think about those goals and reflect upon the work that's being done during the semester. If you'd like to learn more about internships, I have written a book. It's a very short book, 126 pages in paperback. It's lessons I've learned over the last 10 years or so running the internship program. I'm a CPA by trade, but I've also run the internship program. It's available on lulu.com. Just search for business internships and you'll see there's a hard copy version for about 16 bucks, and I think there's an ebook version for $6. And also I've published a laminated guide. You can get that through botcharts.com, or if you'd like, you can email me and I can give you details on how to order a copy. Also, if you're from a university or a college and you want to have a supply of these that are branded with your own logo, we can do that, and you can just shoot me an email and we can get that done for you.